Namaskar. I am Dan Gaude, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. We have discuss with you mm, field theory, and first unit is field extensions. Field extension for MEC second, same fourth. For MEC second, same fourth. Now, last point is in field extensions. In field extensions, algebraically closed field. Algebraically closed field. Definition of algebraically closed field. Now see here. Definition of algebraically closed field. A field K over here is said to be algebraically closed field if it has no proper algebraic extensions over here. No proper algebraic extensions over here. Closed field, that is called algebraically closed field. Now one more theorem is important, very big theorem. For any field K over here, show that or prove that the following all statements are equivalent. The following all statements are equivalent. First statement K is algebraically closed field. K is algebraically closed field. Second statement, every irreducible polynomial in K of X has degree 1. Next, third statement, every polynomial in K of X of positive degree completely into linear factor in K of X. Fourth statement, now see here, every polynomial in K of X of positive degree has at least one root in K. Now see here, we have K is algebraically closed field. And now we have to prove that. Every irreducible polynomial in K of X is of degree 1. Now see here, suppose that it is given that K is algebraically closed field. That is, P of X belongs to K of X is an irreducible polynomial of degree n. But there exists a finite field, and hence algebraic extensions E of F over here is n. Therefore, degree of E over here is equal to n. Since K is algebraically closed field, because this is nothing but K has no proper algebraic extension. Therefore, we know that degree of K over F is equal to 1. Therefore, here degree of K over F is equal to 1. Therefore, K divides F is equal to 1 and K is equal to F. Therefore, every irreducible polynomial in K of X have degree 1. This implies that first equivalent to second. first equivalent to second. Now see here, second implies first. Now see here, second implies first. So what is second statement? Every polynomial, every irreducible polynomial in K of x, every irreducible polynomial in K of x has degree 1. And what is prove that? We have to prove that. Now we have to prove that K is algebraically closed field. K is algebraically closed field. Suppose that it is given that every polynomial in K of x, every polynomial in K of x is of degree 1. Now we have to prove that K is algebraically closed field. K is algebraically closed field. For suppose that for E be any algebraic extensions of K. E be any extensions of K. Let A belongs to E be any element. Therefore, A is algebraic over K. Suppose that P of x belongs to K of x be the minimal polynomial of A. Since the minimal polynomial of P of x of A is monic and irreducible, therefore P of x is equal to x minus A. Therefore A belongs to K and E is a subset of K, or E is a subfield of K. Therefore E is equal to K, and hence K is algebraically closed field because K is a subfield of K and E is a subfield of K. Therefore K is a algebraically closed field. Now we have to prove that second equivalent to third. What is second? Every irreducible polynomial in K of x is of degree 1. What is third? What is third? Every polynomial in K of x of positive degree factors completely in K of x into linear factor. Now see here, suppose that f of x belongs to K of x be any polynomial of positive degree. Therefore, we know that K is algebraically closed field. K is algebraically closed field. Therefore, K contains all the root of f of x. K contains all the root of f of x. Therefore, f of x factors completely in K of x into linear factor. And third implies. Therefore, second implies third, or second equivalent to third. Now we have to prove that third implies fourth. What is third? Every polynomial in K of x of positive degree factors completely in K of x into linear factor. And what is the fourth? Every polynomial in K of x of positive degree has at least one root in K. Suppose that it is given that every polynomial in K of x of positive degree factors completely in K of x into linear factor. Suppose let f of x belongs to K of x be any polynomial of positive degree. Therefore, f of x completely factors in K of x into linear factors. Therefore, K contain all the roots of f of x. Therefore, K contain at least one root of f of x. Therefore, fourth is proved. Therefore, third implies fourth, or third equivalent to fourth. Now, fourth implies first. We have to prove that. We proved that first implies second, second implies third, second implies first implies third implies first, And now we have to prove that fourth implies first. What is second fourth? Every polynomial in Q of x of positive degree has at least one root in k. Has one root in k. Now suppose, therefore we have to prove that k is algebraically closed field. Let E be an algebraic extensions of k. Let A belongs to E be any element, then A is algebraic over k. Let P of x be the minimal polynomial of A over k, then P of x belongs to k of x. And by assumption, P of x has a root, say b in k, therefore x minus b is a factor of P of x in k of x. But since P of x is the minimal polynomial of A over k, therefore P of x is monic and irreducible polynomial in k of x. And suppose that such that P of A is equal to 0, P of A is equal to 0, therefore P of x is equal to x minus b, and P of A is equal to 0, that is A minus b belongs to k, therefore A belongs to k. Thus k contains all roots of E, therefore E is a subset of k from 2 and 3rd. K is equal to E. Thus every algebraic extensions of k contains with coincides with k, therefore k is algebraically closed field. Algebraically closed